Okay, so lesson 5. So if you want to take a screenshot of this one. So we're going back to Beauty and the Beast, as you can see, like we did with Over the Rainbow. The reason why we're going back to Beauty and the Beast second is because it's a little bit harder in terms of coordination with the left hand. Because the left hand sometimes is doing things on its own because we've got a rest in the right hand, but we're playing something in the left hand. But also sometimes they're playing together as well. So we have something like this. So 2 beats of just the left hand, 1, 2, and then we get apple, apple, pear again. There are 3 patterns we need to master in this one. We've got sort of the movement from C to F in the left hand. So go C, F, C, F. And then later on we have C, E, F, G. So there's a nice upward pattern, C, E, F, G. And the final one we need to master is C, E, F, and going back to C there. This tune hasn't changed, so if you need to practice this from the previous lesson, please do. Going back to the keyboard. Now the keyboard's a little bit further away now because we've got so many notes in this, so apologies that it's a bit smaller. So the first pattern was just the C and the F. So in the left hand, 5 on the C and 2 on the F, and you're just going to move between them. Nice and simple. And it'll be 4 beats for each one, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a simple one. The second one we need to master is the C, E, F, G. And again, 4 beats, so C, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to do the last one, which is C, E, F, C. So again, 4 beats. C, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. C, 2, 3, 4. So just master those 3 patterns first. Just master the C, F, and do that twice, by the way. So do C, F, C, F for 4 beats each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then master the C, E, F, G, and then also master the C, E, F, back down, going down to C. So if you look at how that works with the right hand, the C, F, C, F works with the first part of the tune. So if you remember, the C was before the tune starts. We go 1, 2, apple, apple, pear. So we're going to end up playing left hand and right hand together right at the end, but the left hand will start. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is we're going to start counting in your head. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm starting with the left hand, then the right hand comes in, and then we land with both together. Like we did last time, I recommend that you sort of just get used to doing that bit first. Get used to that transition before you try moving on. So make sure you're really fluently, get really comfortable with that. And then when you're happy to, move on to the next bit, which is the E, G, B, C, D. But the left hand does exactly the same. So 1, 2, E, G, B, C, D. So it'll feel a little bit different because your hands are moving in a slightly different direction than they were before. So, and when you're comfortable with that one, add the 2 together. So it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So do that just again and again till you're happy. The next bit is the... So the first bit was nice and simple because we just went up, back down, and we had that little awkward bit at the end. F, E, C, A, G. Now with the left hand, again we've got 4 beats for each one. Starts on its own. 2. So we do E with a G at the top, and then back down. F and C, and the last bit. So you're ending on G's. The only thing to bear in mind is you're not going to end on 2 thumbs, otherwise you won't be able to jump down there. You're going to end on a thumb on your left hand, but a 2 on the right hand. So you go. Oops. So that whole middle section looks like this. And if we do it with the counting, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're always changing in the left hand on beat 1. If you think about the rhythm as well. Apple, apple, pear. Apple, apple, pear. Apple, apple, pear. So that whole first section looks like this. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, so then we'd go back to the first bit of tune. Which we've all done before, and the left hand does exactly the same thing, but instead of right at the end when we go instead of doing the, again we're not going to do that, we're going to go Beauty and the Beast and end on C, so thumb on C and a 5 on C in the left hand. So that whole second section looks like this. Oops, sorry. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And different bit. And that's the 3 sections sort of you need to get used to. If I play it all the way through a couple of times, just so you can see how it's working, and then you can stop and start it at your leisure. Here we go. Starting on C in the left hand and E on the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time, just super slow, and then I'll leave you to practice those over the weekend. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2. Good luck, and I'll see you next week.